Everyone associates NVIDIA's name with artificial intelligence, but you'll be surprised to hear that there is a new player in the market who is gaining a lot of momentum in terms of artificial intelligence. And it's not a new player. In fact, it is it enjoys quite a legacy reputation when it comes to software. That new player is Oracle. NVIDIA, as we know, is a power player in terms of AI these days. At this stage, everyone understands that most of NVIDIA's AI story comes from their very famous AI chip called as H100. And then another product by NVIDIA is called as CUDA or CUDA. The company NVIDIA governs CUDA or CUDA, which is a platform used by academics and software developers alike to build complex AI models. And primarily what CUDA does is that it's a general purpose parallel computing platform and programming model or API interface that accelerates deep learning and other computing intensive tasks. With CUDA, developers are able to dramatically speed up computing applications by harnessing the power of GPUs. But in this video, we are not going to get into the details of CUDA. The point I'm trying to make here is that NVIDIA is famous for two things. One is its H100 AI chips and a lot of other chips, plus CUDA. Oracle is famous for its legacy RDBMS or Relational Database Management System, which is Oracle databases, and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, which is its cloud platform. Now, and both NVIDIA and Oracle have joined forces as Oracle is sort of becoming a reseller of NVIDIA's AI services on its Oracle Cloud Interface platform. Now, the thing is that Oracle has been trying to get into cloud services and other AI services for some time, but it was not getting anywhere. But now, as we know that there is an AI gold rush, and NVIDIA is really at the top of it. But Oracle has really played a master stroke because it has joined hands with NVIDIA. A large ecosystem of enterprise and third-party software development has evolved on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Now, Oracle has partnered with NVIDIA on next generation AI clouds. In addition to bringing state-of-the-art NVIDIA Silicon to OCI, Oracle has made a deal with NVIDIA to allow Oracle to resell NVIDIA-backed services, including high-performance storage to enterprise for their on-premises needs. Now, these are very early days, but even during these early days, more than 30 AI companies have already um, have started developing on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Companies doing large language model or LLM development such as Mosaic ML, Adapt AI, Cohere, and various others have recently signed contracts to purchase more than 2 billion US dollars of capacity on Oracle's Generation 2 cloud. Oracle is also forecasting that its revenue to rise 8% to 10% in the first quarter just this year. So the growth is exploding not only for NVIDIA but also for Oracle. If you are looking to get into AI and not sure which cloud to choose, and you were balancing between Google's GCP and Amazon's AWS, then now this is the time to throw OCI from Oracle into the mix. I hope that you found it interesting. Please stay tuned for more AI and cloud news. Thank you very much.